Right, measure the bearing of Cambridge from Birmingham. So obviously I am at Birmingham because that's where I'm going to be travelling from. What is bearing? Well, bearing is a direction. Because if I'm at Birmingham and I need to get to Cambridge, I need to know which direction. And that bearing will be an angle. It has to be 3 digits. So how will I do that? Well, here I've got Birmingham, Cambridge. And that's just my map. It's a map. Currently I'm standing here, Birmingham, right there. So what I do is I draw a north line from Birmingham going straight up. North is always straight up. So that's north, that's 0 degrees. It's going to be 3 digits, it's 000. Now I want to know the direction. I'm going to join up Birmingham and Cambridge and then measure the angle. So I'm traveling from Birmingham to Cambridge according to the question. Always measure bearing the angle starting from the north line going clockwise that way. Never that way, always clockwise that way, and that's the way I'm going to be going. So this is the angle I want to measure. So step 1 is to put the center of the protractor, you can see that there, that cross there, the center of the protractor on that dot, and then all you're going to do is line up the 0 degrees. I know it doesn't say 0, but you can tell that 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 going clockwise. So put the cross over here, the center of the protractor right there, and then line up the 0 degree. That's 0. Yeah. There now, there's 0, and make sure it's centered properly. Now start counting clockwise. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, keep going. That's 100 there. 101, 102, 3, 104. Looks like 104. 104 degrees. That's already 3 digits. So I don't need to add on an extra 0. If it happened to be, let's say, 89 degrees, you can't just write 89 degrees as a bearing like that. It has to be 3 digits. It would be that. But this one is 104 degrees according to my map. Now this time, measure the bearing, that's angle, of Birmingham from Cambridge from. So that's where I'm travelling from. So obviously I'm at Birmingham, Cambridge this time, according to this. What you do, same as before, draw a north line. It needs to go straight up, not like that. That ruler needs to be parallel to the edge of the page. And as I said already, the angle is always measured clockwise from the north line. So it will be going that way, measuring this way, keep going until I'm facing Birmingham. So this is the angle that I'm after. That's what I want to measure. Put the center of the protractor on that dot. Make sure the 0 is lined up perfectly. So we're going to go clockwise. That's 10, 20, 30. We're looking at the 8-side scale. I'm going clockwise all the way. Right, I've approached 180. Let's just zoom in a bit. .280 is there. looks like it's 281, 282, 283, 284 degrees